welcome to how PVC work. And today we are going to discuss about the cloud computing in prospect to the Microsoft technology that is called the Azure cloud computing. Basically, I'm working as an system administrator, and day to day when we are thinking about the cloud computing, we assume that you know cloud computing is a future of the technology, and as we are working in a Microsoft environment, working as a system administrator, we need to upgrade ourselves. So when I think about the cloud computing and the rapidly growing this technology in the market, I started learning about the cloud computing. And when I feel that you know as a daily we are working you know in day-to-day administrative tasks, when we are working as an administrator on premises, we are having a lots of responsibility to manage the on-premises server, hard drive, storage, their backup, as well as electricity downtime and all those things. So as compared to the on-premises devices and cloud computing devices, I realized that the cloud computing is more easier to manage all these things, because most of the cloud provider are giving us the 99.9% of uptime. So rather than discussing about all those things, so I will come to the point about what is cloud computing. We will discuss in this video, as well as we will discuss about the type of cloud computing. And as we are as an system Wintel administrator, so I'm only focusing on the cloud computing that is provided by Microsoft, that is Azure. And we discuss about the what are the feature and what are the services that provided by the Microsoft Azure. So uh, as discussing about the cloud computing, in a short, I will describe that a cloud computing means storing and accessing a data program over the internet instead of the computer hard drive. As we know very well, this cloud provider have set up their data center in a different region, and they are providing us a 99.9% of uptime. So rather than implementing each and everything in our on premises data store, rather than we can put down our servers or software development servers on a cloud. So we can rather than managing the thing, we will focus on the implementing the things, right? So cloud give us that opportunity to focus on our work and grow our business as we want to grow. So uh, in cloud computing, there are three type of cloud computing are there. That is PaaS, that is platform as in service. Second one is SaaS, that is software as in service. And third one is AaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. So infrastructure as a service means whatever we are discussing, we are supporting right now into the on premises things, that is called the AaaS infrastructure, and the service describe that is going to be work on the cloud. So so let's move towards the services those are provided by Microsoft Azure. First one, if you see in the top of this slide, that is computing. In a computing, Microsoft provide us virtual machine, website, cloud services. So we will going brief one by one, but it's an whole chart about what exactly Microsoft providing to us. Second service is data management. In a data management, we can we are able to configure the SQL database, storage block, storage table, import export the file of the storage, and file services. File services, yeah, is just like whatever we are creating file servers on premises. It is like same service, but we can we can access this file throughout the globe using the URL, that is public URL. Yeah, again, public URL means no one having full access on these file services. We have role based access that is provided in Microsoft Azure, so don't worry about that. We will discuss about in our next series. uh, Third part is networking. As we know, whenever we want to create the infrastructure, that is IT infrastructure, the basic requirement to connectivity in between the PCs and servers, we require the network. In a networking, Microsoft divided it some like virtual network, traffic manager to manage the traffic and all those things, and express route whenever we are creating the express routes in between the Microsoft Azure data center to our on-premises data center to for the hybrid cloud collaboration of on-premises with the Azure. uh, Development and IT services. In a development, I'm not going to go in a brief in a development, as I'm going to mostly focus on IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service. As we are the administrator, we need to focus on those things. But if you want to going forward to uh, explore your knowledge about the development, so you can, no one can stop you, so you can do that. In a development, there are lots of tools are integrated with the Azure services, that is the Visual Studio online, Azure SDK, Azure tool for the Visual Studio. You can also create the automation, API management, and lots of third-party tool also that is integrated with the Azure development tools. Uh, Next one is identity and access. That is the most important topic for us, like Windows administrator, as most of the task is depend on the identity access management. As we are working on the Active Directory, yeah, the same thing. um, uh, the Azure Active Directory is there to manage the role based sorry, identity access management, but it is Active Directory is totally different as per as the ADDS. We can also configure the multi-factor authentication on the Azure Active Directory. Mobile services are also there. Backup, next is backup and recovery, and site recovery and backup. Yeah, site recovery, it's just like whenever you want to create the site recovery, means your on premises things will be um, backed up on the Azure side, and whenever something goes wrong with your on premises, all the devices with the storm and all those things, something natural calamity is done on your region, and everything lost. At that time we can use the active side recovery. We can whatever the system servers we have backed up on the Azure side recovery, we can start those servers on the Azure platform. uh, and backup utility is there to back it up or on premises data, as well as the Azure virtual machine data or PaaS data. We can backed up with these services. Then compute assistance, that we can schedule some job according to the